Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baru kini hilong ki khubor bam da kasngi. Tnad Kam Jngohkai Pyrthei ka jilla kalapalong ya ka yo yadi yathiet yo Sohshan ni strawberry market kabadon hakindailat bat pentikna ba ka sorkar kanyale ban penpau nam yo ni uso bat ki we part git so bat ki jur ki ba penmi ha ka jilla khnang bakan kring ya ki nong Jngohkai Pyrthei. Hagabaya day bakani umentri sorkar ubak mi ya Tnad Kam Jngohkai uba pol lingdo ne kasi ba ar ulale jngo ya katay kayo. Tnad tourism hagi niki artayo balalen kalapalong ya ka strawberry festival hano ron sentung bat hasolia hagabaki nongrap ki rap ya strawberry kilawan bani shimbenta bat menta kila shim ya ka senjam ka ba ar ban pelong ya kani kayo ne strawberry market ban kring
A little bit about the strawberries that are on display today, the seasoned strawberries that have been used for the various products that are there at the various stores. Well, these strawberries have been brought in from basically from Bihar area, Solia Peninsula. On the second season, on the different season, the strawberries will flood in again from different parts of the state. A small mention and a hats off to the pioneer of the strawberry cultivation or the harvest of the start of strawberry cultivation in Meghalaya should go to also a headman who started this, the pioneer on Solia. And we are overwhelmed. We are a little caught by surprise because we were not expecting somebody to be here. But we have also with us Apol Lindo. He is the Honorable Minister of Tourism. Thank you so much for gracing our little program. We were not expecting this, so I hope everything is in order. So.
Of the press, the media fraternity here on the second day of our strawberry festival right here at the heart of Shillong city, Kandailat. And the idea behind today's this event, which will conclude this Friday, is that for the first time, the tourism department, in collaboration with the Department of Horticulture, has gone ahead to encourage our growers, our farmers. A couple of weeks back, we have had the strawberry festival at in villages where strawberry is locally grown. That is Solia, Noron, and Sentung villages. And the festival was meant to create awareness and sensitize people about the need to encourage locally grown produce. And today we have gone a step ahead, which is to also bring the produce to the state capital. The idea being that the organic produce, which is strawberry, has got not only a huge market potential, but can also uh, create livelihood opportunities for our farmers and growers. So this being the idea behind this market, the more important thing is that we would like to sustain this effort, for which we request members of the public as well as travelers to Meghalaya to uh, visit the stalls here in the heart of our capital city, and thereby encourage the children of the soil who are tilling and engaged in the production of strawberry, so that very soon, like pineapple, our strawberry will also go global. The second part of why I'd like to address you guys is that earlier on I have shared with you the idea of how Shillong and Kandailat will be declared as a pedestrian zone, where there will be no vehicular traffic.